Kenya is in the process of rolling out a comprehensive quality policy that will help enterprises enhance their competitiveness in the international markets. Trade Cabinet Secretary Salim Mvurya says the policy will also fortify the standardization, accreditation and conformity assessment of locally produced products, giving them an edge.
Kenyan products have struggled to meet the stringent quality and safety standards required by many international markets. This has led to difficulties in exporting goods, especially to regions with high regulatory standards requirements, resulting to reduced competitiveness and limited economic growth potential.
We've had a gap in coordination of issues of quality. I know we have a number of organizations in government who are looking at issues of quality, issues of accreditation. However, we have not had a well-coordinated mechanism.
Trade Cabinet Secretary Salim Mvurya says the quality policy being rolled out will help address these challenges and promote a culture of quality that will ensure the protection of consumer rights and encourage organizations to integrate quality improvement practices into their operations.
On matters quality, this policy will be very key on sensitization, so that people can know how to package their products and how to make them of high quality. Of course, there will be other organizations that will come in to make sure that they work together. So from the agriculture person who will be supplying seeds, issues of quality will be discussed at that level. And then now, as that product transits to the EPZ, there will also be issues of quality that will have to be integrated, so that those products, we can now sell them anywhere in the world.
The government has further urged stakeholders to collaborate and welcomed more recommendations to ensure implementation of a comprehensive quality policy that will cover both public and private organizations at the national county levels to ensure all products and services meet the required local and international standards. Trevor Ngendo for Easy Friday.